KD's not going anywhere, at least for the immediate future. He has assured the Golden State Warriors that he wants to stay, that he wants to be there. They are not anticipating that he will want to leave. If he were to leave, they would consider it an incredible reversal compared to what they have been hearing from him. However, I do want to let everybody know, and there's no reason to react or boo or anything like that because this is not going to happen, but I will tell you that LeBron James will have a conversation with the Golden State Warriors this summer. That is one of the teams that he will have a conversation with. That's right, I said it.
Stop
LeBron James. I'm telling you what I know. I'm not finished. I'm not finished. I have more.
Oh, my God.
LeBron James will have a conversation because the belief is that LeBron, KD, Steph, obviously you're Klay Thompson for the immediate. Well, listen, y'all, you want the information and you don't, bro. I mean, I'm just going to let you know. Here's what's going on. Right now, if you are the Golden State Warriors, you want to keep your core four intact and you're willing to spend the money. But LeBron James is the best player in the world. And obviously, if you're Golden State, you're going to go after stuff. There is no way they could have all of them on the same team. So you're talking about KD staying. You already signed Steph to $200+ million, all right? So those two are believed to be intact. You're trying to renegotiate and get Klay Thompson signed this summer, but his daddy's already been on the record. He ain't trying to sign something right now. Draymond Green has 2 years left, so he's an asset you want to keep in the event that you don't get LeBron. But if you can get LeBron and you have to sacrifice something, one would deduce you can't keep everybody, and chances are you're willing to lose too. And since Kevin Durant ain't that dude, and Steph Curry ain't that dude, and Klay Thompson is looking to re-up for max dollars potentially, and Draymond Green is going to look to get paid as well in 2 years. You have a situation where Klay and Draymond could be gone because LeBron arrives. I don't see that happening. I don't believe that's going to happen. As a matter of fact, if it did happen, I'm trying to tell you right now, I will go the hell off. I will be apoplectic. Make no mistake about it. But if you're talking about the business of the Golden State Warriors and we're talking about free agency this summer, I'm giving you a heads up as to the conversations that you're going to be reading about come July 1st.